All right, new boot day. These are Wesco Boss engineers. They are actually not brand new, they are rebuilds. I stupidly bought these off the shelf the first time around without getting them sized. Oh, okay. So, all right, I thought these were going to be done. We had discussed doing them as a try-on first, and I had forgotten that we were still doing that. So, not brand new boots. Like I said, we did a rebuild. Bought them off the shelf, so they weren't the right size the first time around. So I guess this is a cool chance to see something I've definitely never seen at all. So I bought these in 11 because I have been buying 11 sized boots, and I realized that the reason why I had been gravitating upwards in size is because my feet were widening. So I needed the width to get, or I needed the length to get the width, because it goes wider as it goes longer, which was not the case. So I had ended up buying shoes that were like a size too big for me just to get my width. And these run large, so I had to go even smaller. So going from a 11 to a 9.5 and a 9, double E's instead of D. So we're going to be trying these on. I'm going to be trying these on. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. There's no point in showing you this. But kind of cool to see a halfway made boot. So I'll be trying these on and making any notes I need to, and turn them around and send them back to them. And I guess I will be doing another video when I get them back completed.